integral yoga talks about, and his final dream talks about, individual perfection and perfect society. How can one have that individual perfection? Mother has put it very simply to us. She has given the mother symbol. Jaya spoke extensively on the first day about that, the qualities which are to be embodied by us. It is not a piece, a decorative piece that, oh, it looks so beautiful, so colorful and all that. But these are the qualities which we have to imbibe in ourselves if we want to have an individual perfection. It is not of ornamental value. You'll see most of us are wearing rings or pendants with mother's symbol. But it is there so that we can be conscious every time that these are the qualities which we have to imbibe in our life so that all the four powers of the mother can come into our lives and then reveal that Aditi or the Shakti, the supreme in our lives. That is what is individual perfection is. That all the parts of our being, the head, the heart, the hands, everything has to work in harmony. That is what Sri Aurobindo means by individual perfection. The supreme qualities of all our aspects have to be put in the forefront. That is individual perfection. And perfect society, we all are very blessed to be in this zone right now. The Matri Mandir which is there is the symbol of that unity, that you can easily enter into her abode or into her temple. What is expected of you is just have the simplicity and the purity of a child. You can ask anything from the mother. As a child, you ask for play toy cars. As you grow up, you ask for real cars. She gives you everything. But sincerity has to be there. That purity has to be there. And that surrender has to be there. That, okay, I want it. I'd like to share a small story over here. There was a child who was going with the mother into a big fair festival which was happening over there. And he's pulling the mother's hand. Mother, mother, I want the ice cream. She says, okay, okay, we'll have. And, mother, I want to go in the merry-go-round. Okay, okay, we'll go. Wait, wait, wait. And then she has some chores to be done. She's doing that. Mother, mother, please, I want to sit in that toy car. Okay, okay, we'll go. And due to some reason, the hand of the boy slips out and he misses the mother. Now the people who have been there, they said, okay, okay, come here, don't cry. What happened? Have a ice cream. No, I want mama. Okay, come, we'll go in the merry-go-round. No, 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 I want mama. No, okay, I'll make you sit in the car. No, I want mama. So all the enjoyment is there only if the mama is there with you. Otherwise, you feel absolutely lonely, absolutely isolated. You are driven into chaos. Nothing makes meaning. This mother is always there, guiding us, helping us, transforming us, ready to do anything for us. But are we open to her? That openness has to come into us. That receptivity has to come into us. Only then we can live in her glory. Only then she will make us see her beautiful self, the different powers which she has. If we are closed, what can she do? Open yourself. She has given, the mother has put it very simply to us. Be simple. Be happy. Remain quiet. Be open to my force. Be pure. That's only what is needed. You don't really have to sit in a particular mountain and do the japa for 100 times or 1,000 times or really chant the shlokas which are very difficult. Not necessary. If just these few qualities you imbibe in yourself, everything will come automatically to you. In today's world, do we really have the time? That day, Ma Gyan Suvira was saying that if I put you in the mountain for half an hour, you will start shivering and crying that what has happened. So for people like us who are very simple, who don't really get the philosophy, all that, be simple. She will give you, she'll reveal everything to you. Have that faith. That faith has to be there. That openness has to be there. So when that is there, automatically, there is a lot of clarity will come into your head. Stability will come into your emotions. Power will come into your dynamism will come into your body. Everything will happen. You will have the real, true psychic love. When you are carrying love, automatically people will love you. It is not what you take, but what you give really makes you a part of the divine being. I cannot just keep on taking from people. If I want love, I have to be love. If I want power, I have to be power. Because she is sitting there within us and everything is available, we just have to open up to that thing. They have given a very simple formula how this can be done. I know that I am not all powerful. How can you become powerful? Very simple. Have the aspiration. With the aspiration, that day it was said, Ichha Shakti, Gyan Shakti, and Kriya Shakti. All those come into the aspiration. That have the aspiration, Mother, I want this. But there has to be sincerity in it. There has to be openness in it. There has to be receptivity when she's giving you this. Then it happens, the aspiration, and you have to put effort towards it. What is the effort? You don't have to die hard, do that. Just be open to her influence. And then automatically she will reveal the knowledge which is needed. She will make you do the right things at appropriate time. So, aspiration, rejection. Avoid all those things which will put you into trouble, chaos, which is not in alignment with yourself. Reject all those. Mother has made it all the more simple. She says, rejection can be very difficult. There are desires, there are passions, and they really overpower you. You cannot reject them. Your force cannot do that. Invoke her. She says, offer. Something you cannot do, just offer it. I will do it for you. But have that faith. Be open to me. Offer it. So rejection, it is difficult, so you can just offer. And she will transform it for you. Today you are seeking for human love. She will transform, and people have dished you, disappointed you, abandoned you. Be open to her. She will not only bring love in your life, but she'll bring the divine love in life, which only she can give, nobody else can give.